Hi, this is Papa G. Today we're delving into the mystical world of the Evil Eye symbol, which is a talisman steeped in cultural significance and known for its protective power. So, what exactly is the Evil Eye and how can it protect us? The Evil Eye has a rich history, dating back thousands of years. This enigmatic symbol has roots in many cultures, from the ancient Greeks and Romans to the Middle East and North Africa. Each culture held a shared belief that the evil eye, a gaze filled with malevolent intent, could bring about misfortune or harm. This wasn't a mere superstitious notion, but a deeply ingrained cultural belief. However, don't be too alarmed. The evil eye also has a protective aspect. In addition to its malevolent reputation, the evil eye has long been seen as a protective symbol. Across cultures, it's believed to act as a shield, deflecting negative energy or harm away from the wearer. It's like having an invisible force field, bouncing back any ill will aimed at you. Amulets and talismans featuring the evil eye are common protective tools, worn around necks, hung in homes, or carried in pockets. These symbols serve as constant companions, safeguarding their owners from harm. So, how can you use the evil eye for protection in your own life? There are many ways to incorporate the protective power of the evil eye into your life. For instance, you might consider adorning yourself with jewelry that features the symbol. It could be a necklace, bracelet, or even a pair of earrings that you wear daily to serve as a shield against negativity. Another practical way to use the evil eye for protection is by displaying an amulet in your living space or vehicle. This acts as a constant reminder of your desire for safety and peace. For those artistically inclined, incorporating evil eye imagery in your art or even as a tattoo can be a powerful personal statement of your intention to deflect harm and invite positivity. Remember, the power of the evil eye comes from your belief in its protective abilities. It's a tool to help you focus your intentions and ward off negativity.